At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an edtech startup can be an exciting endeavor, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche. Determine which area of education technology you want to focus on. This could be anything from K-12 education, higher education, corporate training, language learning, skill development, or specialized subjects like STEM or humanities. 2. Conduct market research. Understand your target audience, their pain points, and the existing solutions in the market. Identify gaps or areas where you can innovate and provide value. 3. Develop a unique value proposition. Define what sets your edtech startup apart from competitors. How will your product or service solve the problems of your target audience better than existing solutions? 4. Create a business plan. Outline your business model, revenue streams, marketing strategy, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your startup and help you secure funding if needed. 5. Build your product or service. Develop a minimum viable product, MVP, that demonstrates the core functionality of your solution. Start small and iterate based on user feedback. 6. Test and validate. Get feedback from potential users and iterate on your product based on their input. Continuously test and refine your offering to ensure it meets the needs of your target market. 7. Develop partnerships. Collaborate with schools, universities, companies, or other organizations that can help you reach your target audience or provide resources and expertise. 8. Launch and market your startup. Once you have a polished product and a solid marketing strategy in place, officially launch your edtech startup. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, email marketing, and partnerships to reach your target audience. 9. Scale your business. As you gain traction and acquire customers, focus on scaling your operations. This may involve expanding your team, optimizing your product, entering new markets, or diversifying your offerings. 10. Stay adaptable and innovative. The education technology landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay agile and continue innovating. Keep an eye on industry trends, listen to feedback from users, and be willing to pivot if necessary. Remember, building a successful edtech startup takes time, dedication, and perseverance. Stay focused on solving real problems for your target audience, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from mentors or advisors along the way. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.